The way you look at someone, or you wink at someone, or you raise your eyebrows and go, No words. No words. Just facial expressions. Did you know in the Quran, some of the people that Allah punishes the worst, their crimes are described as their facial expressions? The way you could stare at someone to make them feel stupid. Somebody's trying to tell you something, you're like, what? You know what they're saying, but you want them to make them feel dumb. So you just, or you're avoiding eye contact like you're not even listening. Somebody says salam to you and you're like, when you do that, that's lumaz. When you make someone feel down, when you put someone down, just with your facial expressions. Not a word came out of your mouth. And Allah says, لا تلمزوا أنفسكم. It's so remarkable. He didn't say, لا تلمزوا آخرين. Don't put down others. He said, don't put down yourselves. Yourselves. When you do that kind of insult, you are actually insulting your own self. You're inviting others to do that to you. When you treat someone in that way, then you are asking for yourself to be treated that way.